Hi, I'm Victoria Loveland Cohen, and I have a question for you. Do you ever feel as if you're meant for a more meaningful life where you experience being fully realized and what you do has a positive impact in the world? Are you having difficulty, though, identifying exactly what that is or how to get there? You see, deep down, each of us yearns to express the highest that is within us and share our gifts in a unique way. But connecting with that inner wisdom and following our inner guidance, not something we're generally taught in life. And so instead, we do what we think will make us happy or what pleases others. And that generally leads to disillusionment. Now, disillusionment, not necessarily a bad thing, because we are separating ourselves from the illusion. And that is very often where our search for true fulfillment begins. In my upcoming class, The Secrets of Living Your Vision, you will reconnect with that inner wisdom and learn specific strategies for clarifying your highest vision, and then learn to clear the channels for that vision to be realized. So click on the link and sign up today. Class begins January 28th. See you there.